I always thought adding 3D to a website was complicated until I tried Spline, and it completely changed how I think about 3D. This is what I was able to achieve in 10 minutes. I think a lot of designers have this feeling 3D looks amazing, but it always feels slightly out of reach. Not because we don't have ideas, but because the tools feel heavy. What surprised me about Spline is it doesn't try to make 3D more powerful, it makes it feel normal. This changed something bigger. 3D is no longer a separate skill, it becomes part of my everyday design toolkit. The interface of Spline feels familiar if you use tools like Figma. You can basically start immediately. You don't have to learn 3D first, just start from what you want to make. Traditional 3D tools are extremely flexible, but the flexibility comes with the cost of being overwhelmed. Spline gives me just enough structure to begin, while still leaving space to explore. And it's not just static. You can make it interactive. Scroll, hover, simple triggers, without writing complex logic. It is also surprising to me how easy it is to bring 3D into the web. You don't need rendering pipelines. You just place it. If you're a designer who's been curious about 3D, this is probably the easiest place to start. Let me know if you're interested to see more details of me using Spline.